investing in Bitcoin? Are you curious about investing in Bitcoin? Are you having questions about Bitcoin but you don't know where to start? Okay, y'all, I'm pretty much going to give y'all the simple terms rundown of what's going on with Bitcoin and why right now you should invest in Bitcoin and actually check out Bitcoin, because everyone else, now that the hype is gone away and now that everyone is running away from Bitcoin, this is actually the best time to get your money in, get your little bread in before it gets popular again. And if you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Shakepay. I specialize in budgeting videos, I specialize in lifestyle videos, but most importantly, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life. Okay, y'all, so if that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to this channel. It's free, I don't charge nothing. Okay, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like this video up if you like these little update videos like these, and also be sure to follow me on my socials. That will be linked down below, and it will also be linked in the screen as well too. So be sure to do all of that. So now that we got all of that out of the way, let's get into the real nitty-gritty of this video. What's going on with Bitcoin right now, and has the hype gone away? Is this worth even checking out? I would definitely be letting y'all know for my youngins out here what is going on and how to do so. And I'll actually be sharing the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin, and I'll be sharing that down below. So be sure to keep watching to the end if you are interested in this information. So yes, Bitcoin. Okay, what is Bitcoin? What is going on with Bitcoin? Okay, I know you guys have heard about Bitcoin. It has been all over the gram. It has been all over TikTok. It has been all over the internet lately. Okay, all these millionaires have been talking about it nonstop. Elon Musk, everyone has been talking about it, talking about Bitcoin, how it is the best time to be putting your money in to cryptocurrency and gaining money, and people have been making all this amounts of money. So I definitely want to give y'all a little bit of an update of why right now is the best time to jump into Bitcoin. While even though everyone else is leaving, this is the best time to actually jump in and gain some interest on your money. Okay, y'all, this is the best time, and this is the reason why you should stay while everyone else is leaving. So yes, basically in plain terms, just to give y'all a rundown about what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is basically cryptocurrency. It is found in multiple countries all over the world. Cryptocurrency has been around for so long, but the reason why there's been such an influx of everyone jumping into this market and everyone into Bitcoin is because, like everything else, everyone follows a trend. And now that the hype has gone down, people are thinking that, okay, I probably won't be making any money now getting into Bitcoin because the hype has gone down. No one's probably even investing. Wrong, you guys. This is the wrong way to be thinking about things. Okay, when the hype goes down, this is when you strike, because when the iron is low. Okay, because what it is you need to be looking for dips in the cryptocurrency. Dips is when you jump in when the market is at low value. Okay, so when the market is at low value, that's when you jump in and you ride the wave to high value, and that's how you make your money. With cryptocurrency, in plain terms, it basically fluctuates. So it's a market that fluctuates. So when people go in and actually inflate the market, that's when you don't make a lot of money. It's because a lot of people are in the market. But when people leave the market and the market is at low value, that's the best time to actually jump in and get into an opportunity of where the market is low and it has a market dip. That's when you go in and then you ride the wave for when the market gets higher. Okay, y'all, so for basic plain terms, that's the best way I can explain it. But yes, when the market is low and everyone leaves, that's the best time to strike while the iron is hot, because you have to ride the wave to be able to make capital on your money. That's basically what people are trying to do. So basically, in plain terms, what people do in cryptocurrency is you need to be able to anticipate market dips. Okay, so you need to be able to anticipate when the market will go low, so you can jump in when it's low and it's cheap, and then you ride the wave for when it strikes and it rises up. This is the thing with Bitcoin. It always fluctuates. It's never at a standstill, or any type of cryptocurrency. It always fluctuates. It's like a lot of charts you probably have seen with graph, always a dip and a curve in any type of chart. Okay, so there's always a low and there's always a high to the market. So that's something that's a given, but you need to be able to anticipate when the market is low, because that is the best time to get into the market, and then you leave when it's high. So then you leave and then you ride the wave until it's high, and that's how you make capital on your money. Okay, y'all, so that's how this whole cryptocurrency has been playing out. You have to be able to anticipate when the market will drop. That's when you jump in. And I'm not giving anybody any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just some things that I have learned throughout the years of watching cryptocurrency and what's been going on and watching the market. So these are just some things that you need to know before entering the market on when to anticipate dips. So when the graph is going down, you need to be able to anticipate that there's a dip in the system and when is the best time to actually enter the market. Okay, y'all. So this is what's basically happening right now. Since the hype has gone, people are thinking, well, the hype has gone down, so there's no real money in Bitcoin, so this is not the best time to be entering, or this is not the best time to be, I'm not even going to be entering into Bitcoin, so I think I'll just leave the market and just pull out right now. This is not the best time to pull out, y'all, because what's happening is there's always going to be a high and there's always going to be a low. Okay, y'all. So now that the market is going to low value, there has been a dip to upwards to 54% in the graph. Okay, y'all, that is a significant drop in the market. So you definitely have not, if you have not entered in the market before, this could be a best time for you to enter. Like I said, I don't give anyone any financial advice. I'm not anticipating a growth, but what I am seeing is that because the hype is going down, this is the best time to actually enter at low market value. Yes, that is just a plain terms of what Bitcoin is, how the market works, how to read graphs when you are looking at them, just a little basic tidbit of how that works. And I'm going to also talk about an app that I actually have been using, and it is called Shakepay. Okay, Shakepay is a really, really good app that you can use to invest in. Okay, y'all, I have been using it all throughout this year and it has been steering me pretty good. It has been doing very, very well. I like this app because it's absolutely safe to use. Okay, you guys, they actually verify that you are who you say you are. Okay, you have to go through multiple steps of using this because there has been an influx of people stealing people's cryptocurrency, and there's been a lot of theft going on in the market. So they just want to make sure that everything is copacetic, everything is safe, and that you are who you say you are. So you will have to verify your address, your identity. You will have to go through those steps, but a lot of these times with a lot of these cryptocurrency apps, they do ask you to verify your identification and make sure you're absolutely who you say you are. If you are going into any of these cryptocurrency apps, keep that in mind that they will expect you to verify who you are and your identity. Okay, so once that is out of the way, you guys, you do need to set up your cryptocurrency connected to your bank account so you can be able to obviously send money to your cryptocurrency. It's very easy to use. With Shakepay, they use Bitcoin and they also use Ethereum. So if you are looking to get into those type of buying into those type of cryptocurrencies, they do offer those two options, which I think is really, really cool. And you can also withdraw money and it goes straight into your bank account. It's very easy to use, okay, you guys, that you can withdraw your money, put it back into your bank account when you need to. It's within a matter of minutes to probably the max is an hour when they do their processing. So it's a very safe app to use. I have been using it for quite some time and I haven't experienced any theft or anything. So that is really good. So just keep that in mind that you want to be using a very safe app when you are doing this cryptocurrency trading, because there is a lot of theft going on. You can actually purchase a wallet, a crypto wallet that can store all your passwords on there. So you can actually check that out as well too. If you are a really, if you want to be really, really secure and secure your account, you can also get one of those. They sell those on Amazon, you guys. They're fairly inexpensive. You can get a fairly inexpensive one or a higher range one depending on the cryptocurrency that you're trying to get into and how safe you want to keep your wallet. But yes, there are different options to how you can keep your stuff safe and locked up and ready to go. I will link Shakepay down below if you are interested in looking into it. As far as I know, they are available in Canada and the US. If I have any more suggestions on any more apps to check out, I would definitely link that down below so you guys can check that out. But that's the first step. You definitely want to make sure you are safe when you are trading. You don't want your money to be getting scammed or getting ripped off or anything like that. You want to make sure when you are trading that you are seeing your money using a safe app that won't be scamming you, or that is safe and that is verifying your identity and your information. So that's just a little tidbit that I wanted to add to that. I will also link some more information on Bitcoin if you are still struggling and trying to understand the concept of how it works. I will also link down below some resources that I have been using to get me through Bitcoin. And at first, I want to tell y'all, it has been a struggle trying to learn about Bitcoin. Okay, it's very hard because there's so many different videos, and there's so many different influx of information. People tell you different ways, different things to look for. So it's quite a meaty subject, okay, if I do say so myself. But I would be definitely linking down some resources down below to be able to help you guys out if you are really trying to get into the cryptocurrency market and you're trying to understand it more. I would definitely link some links down below, or some articles down below that you could check out and read on it, okay? Reading and researching is your best friend if you are trying to get into this cryptocurrency wave, okay, y'all, because it's so confusing at first. So you definitely have to be doing the most research that you can to actually get the most concrete information that you can. Everything I had to say in this video, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a rundown on the Bitcoin news today and why it is the best time to actually invest into the market right now that the hype has gone down. Because like I said, when the market is low, you want to strike and then ride that wave to when the market is high, and then that's how you make capital on your money, okay, y'all? So yeah, y'all in my next one.